Today, I'll walk you through how to add a public story on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your moments with a wider audience so you can connect with friends and followers like never before. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. If you can't find it, just look for the yellow ghost icon on your device. This is the gateway to all your snaps and stories. Next, go ahead and take a snap. You can do this by tapping the circular button at the bottom of your screen. Capture something fun or interesting, just like taking a quick photo for a scrapbook. Once you've taken your snap, click on the Send to button. This is usually represented by an arrow pointing to the right. It's your way of sharing your creation with others. Now choose My Story Public. This option allows everyone, not just your friends, to see your snap. Think of it as opening your scrapbook to the public, inviting everyone to flip through your memories. Finally, click on the arrow to upload your snap. This will share your snap to your public story, making it visible to all your followers. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface from time to time, but the steps remain largely the same. And there you have it. You've successfully added a public story on Snapchat. This is a great way to showcase your creativity and engage with a broader audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.